everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video I'm going to be doing a week in my hair silk press edition. I got my hair pressed this morning. It's actually 11:39 p.m. My appointment was at 10:30 this morning. What did I do today? Today I went to work, and then after work I went to the roller skating rink, and now I'm home. And so this is how my hair is looking after all of that. I really want to maintain these curls. I could do flexi rods, but I hate sleeping in flexi rods. It's very, very uncomfortable. What I'm gonna do in Hope Works is pin curl my hair. I really don't want to do like the typical wrapping because that tends to make your hair flat, and I don't want my curls to be flat. And after a while, I don't know if it happens to y'all, but I be like getting, it just hurts right here. Just literally right in my temples. After like 3 days of wrapping, my temples get really sore. So what I'm gonna try and do is pin curl my hair all the way around and pray and hope that that works. I've never tried this before, and obviously I don't want to use a bunch of heat to maintain them, so we're gonna pin curl. So I'm just gonna use bobby pins to hold them. I shouldn't have to need too many pin curls because, as y'all can see, I don't really have that much hair on my head. I have like medium density hair, so my hair is definitely not thick. I'm going to just brush to clump the curl. Is this section too big? Like, come on. I feel like if this fails, I'm gonna try flexi rods tomorrow night. Yo, why is this so hard? Nope, drop that one. Ow! I just pinched my lips. Owie. Ooh, that's ugly. I might have to redo that one. Yo, what the heck? I need somebody to do this for me. All I want to do is get this pin curl so I can get in the shower. Alright, so I redid that one. And now I'm just gonna cover my hair with a scarf. No. Yo, I feel like pin curling should not be this hard. So I'm gonna put this on my head. Y'all pray for me. I'ma pray too, but I'm gonna need y'all prayers that when I wake up in the morning, my hair looks how it looks like today. Cute. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put a bonnet on too. And this is how I'm about to sleep tonight. Good morning. I don't know why. Anyways, I'm about to run to the store really fast. Out. So I'm about to unwrap my hair, and I'm nervous. My hair did not, like my scarf and bonnet didn't come off at all last night, so I'm thankful for that, but I'm so nervous and scared. Because I just want my hair to look like what it looked like yesterday. That's all I want. That's all I want in this life of sin. Another. And then the ones that matter the most to me. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I'm gonna just shake it. How are we looking? Wait a minute. I need my glasses, I can't see. Okay. Alright. So it's not bad. Obviously, it's like basically re-curled up. Or it's almost more curled than it was yesterday, but that gives it time for them to fall. Okay, I'm not mad at it. I'm definitely not mad at it. I'm gonna continue to pin curl because that's definitely gonna help make this last. I'll probably come back a little bit later, probably before I leave for work, to let y'all know if this falls at all, or maybe when I get back from the store or something. I hope it falls. Let me run to the store. I need to find some pajamas for tonight, some cute pajamas, because I don't own any cute pajamas. I usually just sleep in like a big t-shirt, or recently it's been sweatpants as well because it's really cold. But I had cute ones growing up, but as an adult, I think I need to be more intentional about the loungewear that I have. I've been working on it. I might make a video on that. Hey y'all. So it's the end of the day. I think it's like 10 something. I'm really tired. Here's how my hair is looking at the end of today though, because I did say I'd come back and show y'all, and as you can see, the curls did drop and I really like how it's looking right now. I'm gonna be honest, I don't feel like pin curling my hair. I don't feel like wrapping my hair. I have a silk pillowcase. I just know if I sleep it's gonna get smashed. I don't know. I'm tired and I don't feel like wrapping my hair or pin curling it. But I probably honestly should. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Happy day 3, y'all. I have a story time and my bonnet's a hot mess because I've just been going through it this morning. Every morning I wake up, I like make my bed and I clean my room. But today I had trash to throw away. I'm missing a bobby pin, I think. Yeah, I had trash to throw away. So I put my trash in the Ulta bag that I had. And I went to go throw the trash away. And then I came back and then I come in my room and I'm like, why is the Ulta bag here? Like, why is the trash bag still here? Y'all, I threw my new clothes away that I got from Forever 21 yesterday. I threw them in like the big garbage. And so I ran to my roommate and I'm like, girl, I threw my clothes away, please help me. So we grabbing brooms, getting anything that's a long stick to try and get it out, because there was basically nothing in the actual trash bin. But as we're walking to the trash bin, somebody's throwing their trash away and I'm like, no. And we look in and it's just way too deep. Like there's no way I'm gonna be able to get it. But thankfully one of the maintenance people was there and he got it out for me. And I was also thankful that my bag didn't like flip upside down in the trash bin. So that's how I spent my morning. But yeah, so this is how my hair is looking today. It still looks good. This is day 3. I don't have work today. I'm off. Today's a Friday, but I don't have work today, so I don't know what I'm gonna get into. I don't know what I'm gonna get into at all. But I need to make some money moves. That's what I do know. I need to make some money moves. Hey y'all, day 4. I gotta talk quick because I'm outside the rink right now. Yesterday I did go skating outside for like 30 minutes. No, I think for an hour actually. But it was in the evening time. So that's what I ended up doing. Did my quick pin curls, of course. And this is how we're looking today. My hair still feels really lightweight. It's not like oiled down or anything. Like, y'all, pin curls is the way to go. That's it. That's all. Just got home from skating. I actually skated for 4 hours and ooh, I sweat out my hair a little bit. I don't think you can tell. Okay, you definitely cannot tell, but if you go in the middle of my head, I don't know. I'm gonna try to show y'all. I hope I'm in frame. I don't even know if you can tell. I can feel it. I can feel it. So I think I'm gonna go through. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I probably should do it today. I think I need to go through and like on really low heat, either on 1 or 5 on my Baby Bliss. I'm gonna go through on my roots just in the center, because literally everything else is fine. You can't tell that it's blown up over here, but I can feel it and I don't like it. And so yeah, but I'm very tired. My knees hurt, my feet hurt. I need to take a shower and I need to touch up the middle of my head. I should probably touch it up before I get... Should I go in the shower first? What should I do? Y'all, my mind's broken. Go in the shower first? I'll go take a shower first and then come back and touch up my roots. So I'll be back. Alright, so I have it on number 5, which is, well, the flat iron on number 5, which on this flat iron is 240 degrees. I'm so tired. It's 5:52 and I honestly want to go to sleep now. That's all I'm doing, okay guys? Hey guys, it is day 5 and it is actually Super Bowl Sunday. I'm gonna go watch the game that I honestly don't really care about. I just want free food. Food during Super Bowl be good. So hair update. It's still looking really good, like super fresh, and I like 100% know that's because I've been pin curling it. Because in the past when I do just the regular wrapping, my hair tends to get oily faster. I noticed that, and it just doesn't last as long. Like it starts to begin to start just not looking as fresh, but my hair still literally looks like what it looked like when I first got it done. I'm obsessed with the pan curl method. Hey y'all, I'm home and I actually ended up having a lot of fun. Oh, that's what I meant to tell y'all. Your girl came up, so I dropped my friend off on my way home, and as I'm driving, I'm like, did I just drive over money? And they were like, I don't know, did you? And I was like, I'm finna see. Yo girl found $20. I mean, I'm tripping, $40. So I came up on 40, which is a blessing because on the way to dropping them off, I had to fill up my tank and it cost $40 to fill up my tank. So God is good, y'all. Just want to remind y'all that God is good. This is 5 days, y'all, and my hair still looks good. It still looks fresh and new. Oh, and I met a subscriber tonight. So that was cool as well. But yeah, I'm very tired and I have work tomorrow, but I had a good night, so I want to share that with y'all. So yeah, let me pin curl my hair and go to sleep and then go to work tomorrow. So if this is where I'm ending the video, be kind to yourselves, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.